Look at the first three digits here, that's 108, right? Now what am I going to do is I am going to add the number formed by the last two digits, that means 08, to the number itself, and that will give me 108 plus 8, that is 116. So what do I do with this 116? Now this 116 actually is the first part of my answer, and if you do this addition, you should get a 3-digit number here. So we have to take 3-digit number, and after that, what is the square of this number? 8 square. That's pretty easy, right? 64. Now this 64 happens to be a 2-digit number, and I have to take 2 digits here. If at all this square is a 3-digit number, then I have one more step to perform. So what do I do here is 108 square. That's pretty easy now, because 3 digits and 2 digits, they are not different. Here we have a 3-digit number, and here you have a 2-digit number. So 116 64 gets me the square of 108. That's pretty easy, and I know most of you would get it right when you solve it for the first time. Let's take one more example and understand this in a better way. So for the next question, I'm going to take a different example, and here we have, say, 113 square. So I told you, whatever is the number formed by the last two digits, you have to add that number to the original number. So let's add 13 to 113. So you get 126. Now what do you do with this 126? This is a 3-digit number, and I wanted a 3-digit number only. Next step, you square this 13. 13 square is 169. Now this is where you need to be careful. I told you the square should be a 2-digit number. If it is a 3-digit number, then you have to do one more step. So what do I do here? 126 is the first part of my answer, and 169 is the second part, but that is not the correct answer for 113 square. I'll take 2 digits from here, write 69, and then this one extra digit will be carried forward here to give you 126 plus 1, which is 127. And now you can pick up the calculators and check, is 113 square 12769? The tricks are many, you can keep on learning one trick after another, and I'm sure you are going to enjoy these tricks. But application part is really what is more important, and you need to solve lots and lots of such questions through short tricks in order to ensure that you are applying them. Okay, I'll do some more examples, maybe 2 more examples for you to understand this concept. Before that, let me tell you about the Independence Day offer. Currently we have launched on the super combo of quant and reasoning. So if you are a school student or anybody preparing for any government quantitative aptitude exam, whether it is railways or banking, or the number of exams which involve quant and reasoning are in hundreds, and this is the ebook of short tricks and the reasoning course combo which we have brought out as the Independence Day offer. Over 350 short tricks here, 18 important topics covered here, 24 chapters covered here. Video support directory is given with both courses, and you have the concepts, illustrations, practice worksheets, and then previous year questions, everything here. This ebook of short trick will help you calculate 10 times faster, and I tell you, this is the best time you can grab a copy of this, because the offer is going on. You can send me a message on WhatsApp 9896369963. That is the number, and all these numbers, the description contains everything here. Okay, so send me a message. I'm sure you are going to enjoy the content of these super combo. Let's take some more examples. So I told you between 101 to 130, right? Let's take 124 square. So the number formed by the second and the third digit here is 24. So I'll add 24 to 124. So what do I get? I get 148. Now this is the first part of my answer, and I should know now what is 24 square. If you don't know what is 24 square, you need to know tricks to calculate squares of 2-digit numbers. And 24 square is 576. So 124 square will be 148, that's the first part, and 576 is the second part, but I need only 2 digits here. So my answer will end in 76. This 5 will be carried forward here. So 148 plus 5 is 153, and here we go. 124 square is indeed 15376.